I thought he wasn't going to come from
Little on-the-job training.
I thought he wasn't going to come to
Let's see if we can get this PVC repaired. The sprinkler's back in order here.
One time.
You don't know my name. I just started here. Just give me some time.
I don't know your name.
Yeah.
It's bragging.
Say my name, say my
What
name.
is your name? No, it's just bragging.
It's Richard.
It's my government name. I hate this fucking name.
He said that's my government name.
Richard.
That's your name?
So what you're gonna do is like what? Just cut the piece and then put a coupling in and glue it all back together, right?
Yeah.
Sounds simple enough?
This already has a coupling. I'm going to use this coupling.
Yeah. Yeah, because all the glue pulled out.
And then I'm going to put it in Spanish. Richard.
You know what Richard is?
Richard,
Put this in
you
first.
know.
It means you a dick.
I'm going to call you Richard.
Sound like Richard.
Richard.
Hey.
Huh?
Hey.
I'm not gay.
A little primer.
See, wait.
I had to change his name now. Name Richard.
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 Hey, but that name give me a whole bunch of good jobs. I don't know shit. Richard.
Richard?
Yeah.
Because they thought you were white?
Yeah. No, it's official.
Well, one of my friends changed his last name to his name too.
A little glue.
I got like a white boy name, Richard Thomas Braggins.
Because on the interviews he wasn't good in the interviews. What's Chris Garcia? Christopher.
You might have to put a 45 in there to get that line back up.
It was Cristobal.
PVC will bend,
Change it to Chris.
but
Boy, damn, she
Finally. Finally.
you know what I'm saying? Yeah, you can probably get a coupling in there.
Think so?
Yeah, just have to kind of turn it and bend it a little bit.
Or dig a little bit that way.
Yeah.
What do you want me to do?
Right here.
Whoa, what's that? That
That's
all
a
came out?
Yeah, it's a 90.
Oh, okay. Alright. Yeah, so you can probably get it to turn.
Oh, that's so bad.
Just cut it.
Hi.
Just cut it back a little bit.
Yeah. So we're just cleaning a little bit.
$100?
What?
$100? Or you ain't get no money?
Just keep squeezing it till it cuts.
I want to snap it. What side should I put the coupling on? This side or this
I
side?
got a 45. You didn't find a 45?
It might be better to put a little 45 on there instead of that
It was a 45.
coupling.
Let me go get it.
Sure.
Alright. Let me see the pipe. Piece of pipe.
It's a half inch.
Half inch.
Yeah, 45. I'm sorry.
Yeah, just like that. Hey, never mind. Let's just go ahead and use the coupling. Go ahead and put that cut. Yeah, go ahead and put primer on everything. Get it primered up.
Are you moving?
Yeah, we can kick it over. We just need to dig that little piece out of dirt right out there, and we can kick everything over just enough to get it to line out. Look like you might have done that once or twice.
Something like that.
We need a new primer and new glue.
Yeah, that glue was looking a little thin.
That's for your YouTube channel?
Yeah, this is all going on my YouTube channel.
Dang. I think we're gonna have a problem
Why?
on using the phone stuff.
Nah. I mean, work's getting done.
Yeah.
And so far I haven't identified anybody except his name.
And you're doing your job.
and I am supervising.
Supervising and coaching.
That's my job.
Wow. Hell yeah.
So,
Just
as,
adding my name.
and I haven't. Yeah, I can always take his name out.
So you're trying.
And then I don't think I've put any of the logos or anything for business purposes, so they can't say like, "Oh, you didn't ask us permission." So,
You gotta delete it.
and throw you a little extra glue on there for good measure,
They don't know who you work
Yep,
with.
just because.
and that's it. A little PVC repair.
Oh, my stomach is killing me.
Sounds like somebody's got to take a poop.
Hell yeah.